Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and I welcome you to a wonderful video. What's new in Ielts in 2023? Oh gosh, the year is going to come to an end and the new year is going to start soon. What is new in Ielts in 2023? Okay, now the first thing is, as I mentioned before, speaking test is going to be converted to online test, right? In the past or even now, some test centers, they conduct speaking test of half candidates in the center and some conduct online. Some test centers, they give this option to the candidates whether they want to appear in online speaking test or in-person speaking test with the examiner, right? In both cases, you have to go to their test centers. Online speaking test will not be conducted in your home, right? So in 2023, because gradually they are shifting Ielts, they are going to control Ielts from a central command unit, and that unit for IDP is Australia and the other one is Canada. For British Council, it is England, London. So they are going to have a big, call center with 1,000 people working, 2,000 people working. So this is going to be a big place where IELTS speaking test will be conducted, IELTS writing test will be marked by the examiner, IELTS listening and IELTS reading tests, answer sheets will be marked by the markers, and there will be a lot of people working and all that stuff. So they are going to have a command and control system, and then IELTS will not be marked in your countries anymore. In the past, writing used to be marked in your country, in your region, but now they have writing on screen checking, so they mark it there. Same is going to be the case with speaking, and I think it's good because sometimes local examiners, they check your English on the basis of grammar, the way they learned English as a second speaker. So they check your English on those bases, and at the end they give you low bench score. Whereas the native speakers, because they did not learn English from grammar translation method, they learn English from direct method, so they give you good bench score. One of my students, she appeared in IELTS test from Lahore, and she had her speaking test through British Council, and there was a beautiful Englishman who conducted her test, and she said this Englishman had beautiful eyes. So don't look at their eyes, look at what they are asking you and all that, okay? So the first thing is speaking is going to be online all over the world. And let me tell you, it is my prediction in future, all IELTS test is going to be online. Online means computer delivered IELTS. Gradually, now the candidates are shifting from paper delivered IELTS to computer delivered, but still there is a large number who prefer paper delivered IELTS, but gradually they are going to shift. And once paper delivered IELTS candidates are few in number, they are going to have this computer delivered IELTS everywhere, and even now in many countries they only offer computer delivered IELTS. They don't have the option of paper delivered IELTS. So these changes will take place. Some changes will take place in 2023 and some changes will take place after that. Okay. Now, apart from this, in 2023, as per my prediction, as per my observation, they are going to launch one module retake. Single module retake is going to be launched in 2023 because the competitors of IELTS, they are becoming more convenient for IELTS candidates. Now, IELTS clientele is going to be disturbed by PTE, CELPIP, right? Then they've got that, occupational English test, OET, and all that. So other tests are actually getting popularity. So this is alarming for IELTS. Now they want to do something that makes IELTS more convenient, and single module take is one of their moves. So probably in 2023, they are going to offer single module retake, and then instead of applying EOR, students will have two options, either EOR or single module retake, and this is going to be very, very good. So these are few changes. Otherwise, let me tell you, pattern is not going to change. If they change the pattern of IELTS, they have to cancel 17 books of IELTS, right? As long as I know, IELTS has been like this. It's been like this. Like I know in 1998, 1999, when I was there at British Council ELT section as a student, so they used to conduct IELTS exam in a small room with 8 to 10 candidates. So even at that time, they had the same pattern, and at that time, they had Cambridge IELTS books 1 and 2. In 1998, 1999, they had books 1 and 2, right? So now they've got books until 17, because every year they actually publish a new book. So the pattern is not going to change. Nothing else is going to change about the test, about the curriculum, about the pattern. It's going to be the same, but the changes that I've mentioned, these changes are going to take place. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I teach IELTS online all over the world, and I'm going to teach IELTS on campus in Dubai from 16th December to 13th January 2023. If you wish to be the part of my on-campus IELTS classes in Dubai, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.